Okay, so another really important thing that we'll do as data analysts is treat our outliers. And this can involve kind of two capacities. Either you generally truncate the outlier to make it worth a less of value, replace it with a less extreme value. And then another thing that you can do is leave out those rows together. You maybe are not able to explain and justify the rest of the row. It draws into question the data quality of the rest of the row or the observation. So maybe you'll just leave that out to avoid in your analysis. If you do think it's something that could recur often, has a good support for that, it is a reoccurring event, might be good. But the extremeness of outliers really skew simple summary statistics like the average. And so because things get skewed the average, that would even affect the correlations. And so we can do things to manage and treat this, kind of trimming the hedges, truncating in usually those pesky outliers on the sides to make sure that our analysis are a more truer representation of what's really there. Okay, and they're not skewed by these outliers and the effect they have, the really surprising effect they have on our data set.